Hi, welcome back to the Social Television Network. I'm Kristen Keogh. Today we're talking about motorcycle accidents, and I'm joined by attorney David Shapiro. David, thanks for being here.
Thanks, Kristen, for having us.
So here in Arizona, we see a number of motorcycle accidents, and I'm wondering what are the most common types of accidents that you see with motorcycles?
So typically when you have a motorcycle accident, the most common form you will see is a rear ender, or oftentimes it's a left turner into a motorcycle because unfortunately they didn't see the motorcycle.
Okay, so I'm also curious, if you have a helmet on, obviously that's likely going to play out better for you depending on the severity of the injuries and where you were impacted in a crash. But what if you don't have a helmet on? Do you still have a case?
A common misconception, the answer is yes, and a common misconception in Arizona is that if you're not wearing a helmet, you don't have a case. That's not true, because in order for the helmet defense to be utilized, the insurance company or the defendant must prove that the helmet would have either prevented or mitigated your injury. So if you suffered a lower extremity injury, the helmet would not have mitigated or prevented that injury, hence they can't use that defense.
Okay, that makes perfect sense. Let's talk more about injuries. What are the most common?
Easily the most common: neck, back, lower extremity as we mentioned, also head obviously.
Okay, and people shouldn't just walk away from an accident if they were hit while on a motorcycle, because there could be something more serious that they didn't realize at the time of the crash, right?
Absolutely. We had a client who we represented who was hit by a commercial truck. At the scene, he walked away from his motorcycle. He went to the hospital, no broken vertebrae. It turned out, after letting us know that he was still suffering, we encouraged him to follow up, get more medical treatment, get an MRI. The MRI revealed substantial disc herniations from his neck all the way down to his lumbar spine. And now it turned out that he actually needed surgery, and the case was completely different. And it's fortunate that this gentleman sought the additional treatment he needed.
Yeah, so it's good to get someone on your side who has the knowledge moving forward like you do. David, thank you so much for all that great information. And if you want to talk to David yourself, just call the number that we've put on your screen or click on that link that we have provided. We'll see you next time right here on the Social Television Network.